Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I am going to be meeting up with my toy guy again. He says he has over $10,000 worth of toys for me to go and pick up. So it is 7 in the morning right now. It is ridiculously early. I am sleepy. I'm trying to wake up. I'm in the McDonald's drive-thru right now. I'm going to get me a large coffee and a couple of breakfast sandwiches, and we'll get going. Hopefully we have a great day, and he says hopefully we can find a lot of great toys. He says he has 20 boxes for me to pick up, so wish me luck. Alright, let's get going. Alright, just got out of drive-thru, got myself a nice large coffee. I put peppermint and chocolate in it and a whole bunch of things. Hopefully it'll wake me up. It's only 99 cents in the McDonald's app, so I always use the McDonald's app. It's like I said, it's only 99 cents, so why not? I also got me one of these Mcgriddles. This is a sausage McGriddle. It's like, I don't know what it is. It's like French toast around a sandwich, around a sausage, and then there's a one that's like chicken around around French toast, or I should say French toast around chicken. Whatever. I've never eaten McDonald's breakfast. I'm never up at this time. But anyways, I needed some coffee to wake me up, and I figured, why the heck not? Let's try them. I have never tried them before. But anyways, I'm supposed to meet the guy in about 45 minutes, so I gotta quit jibber-jabbering and get going. Wish me luck. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I just finished with the toy guy. As you can see, my car is completely full. I believe there's like 27 boxes, somewhere around there, and a total of there's over 350 items in those boxes. So estimated around $10,000 worth of new old stock of toys. So super excited to go through it all. I know I saw a couple of Kiss merchandise. There's actually a Kiss lava lamp that he said there's in there. So I'm anxious to see that. I saw there was like a Kiss incense thing. And a plush frog that dances, has like a Raiders hat. Of course, I'll show you when I get home. But first, I am going to go stop at the casino. I have $60 in free play. So I am going to go play for a little while. And when I get home, I will show you a bunch of the haul. All right, let's go. All right, so I just got home. Let's open up the bag and show you what I got. Hopefully, we make a lot of money. All right, let's get... Alrighty. Oops. Alright, let's see what we got. We got a Spider-Man. What is this guy? Alien Spider Slayer? Okay. We got some Kiss Love Gun mini mates. I don't know. I can't read all. I'm not gonna read all these guys. This is an incense burner from Kiss. That looks cool. Here's what I was talking about. Here's the frog I saw. That's a Raiders. Does he dance? Oh, it still works. Okay. He still works. Gets some Star Wars figures. Sorry about the glare. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. It is super windy right now. That's why I even put on a jacket. Yeah, there's some Star Tours, Mickey and Yoda. This should be worth some good money. Let's show what this is. Kiss catalog. I have no idea. Say on the back? Huh. I don't know. Is it trying to shake it to see if there's something in it. I guess it's probably a candle or something. I'm not sure what that is. Some turtle stuff. Alright, let's go into another box. I have 20 of these boxes, so can't go through all these guys. But here's some Hot Wheels. An American Chopper. That's a jet bike. Whatever that is. A lot of interesting stuff here. I'm gonna have fun listing all this stuff. Got some Star Wars. Another car. Let's go over here. This is a Simpson box. Looks like it's all Simpsons in there. The Simpson figures can do pretty well. Some do very well, and others are just, they're okay, but let's see what else we got. Trying to get some of this stuff out without messing with the boxes too bad. Because I still got to bring all these in the house and sort them out. This is General Grievous, from Star Wars. Another Star Wars figure. There's a big Star Wars figure right here. If I can get out of the box without damaging the box. Who's this guy? Count Dooku. Cool. Alright. Let me take you to another door. Alright. Let's see what we got. What the heck is this guy? Street Sharks. I remember this. A cartoon, right? This is a Jossum Jug. Youngblood. Rob Liefeld, McFarlane always does good. Bunch of Star Wars stuff in there. More Simpson stuff. This Sideshow Bob right there. Sorry about the glare. Who's this? Oh, that's Grandpa. And a lot more Simpsons in there. Find out what's in here. There is Woody, Star Wars Rogue One. I have so many of these boxes. This is going to be fun to go through. And of course, when they sell, I'll be doing the what sold videos, so you'll be able to see a lot more of this stuff when it sells. This is Playmobil. I don't know what that is. I really don't know a lot of this stuff until I look it up. There's Legends of Batman, Crusader Robin. Okay. Not sure who Crusader Robin is. Let's see if I can get another box for you. Just show you some of the... There's a monster figure. Just show you some of the stuff that I'm going to be going through. Alright, this is a KISS FM auto scan radio. FAL Schwartz exclusive. That's the Han Solo in carbonite. KISS headliners. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's a Cobra Commander or something. Let's see if I can get out of the box. Cobra Commander Mighty Mugs. Not too sure about those. I don't know what they're worth. If they're worth anything. I know these are worth something. The Shadow Scout. This is from Comic-Con. Oh, you can see me in the reflection. How you doing? More KISS stuff. And yeah, I have so many boxes. So what I did is I just went to Home Depot. I picked up 2 shelving units in my little car. And I'm gonna go put those up, so when I list them, I'll be able to store them properly, because I don't have storage for these yet. Oh, there's another Monsters. These are Valentine's, looks like. Yeah, episode 1 Valentine's. So you can see there's just so much here. But yeah, I bought storage. Let me show you what they are. And these are what they are. I know somebody asked me last time I was putting them up what exactly they are. These are HDX. These are from Home Depot. They're heavy duty shelves. There's 5 shelves and they're 36 by 24. So that's the way they look right there. They're in pieces in my house, so I don't want to. I can't show them to you right now, but they're really simple to put up, and they're super heavy duty. So if you want to go to Home Depot right now, I believe they're $10 off. They're on sale right now, so head over there. There's smaller ones that are like 18 inches, but I like the 24 ones. They're $10 more for the 24, but it's worth it because they can hold a lot more stuff. Anyways, that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. You know I have a lot of things to list. Take care.